Pava Kathakali is the name given to the traditional glove puppet play of Kerala. This form is confined to the remote village of Paruthapalli. A few families from this village have traditionally been its custodians and practitioners for several generations. This glove puppet play came to be called Pava Kathakali in the 18th century.